everyone, welcome back to our video of Odoo connector for Magento 2. In our previous video, you saw how you can connect your Magento 2 store with Odoo. Today we'll show you how to configure the module at Magento and Odoo end as well. So let's get started.
Here, as you can see, we are on the backend, and there you can see the connection which we have made in our last video. So we'll open that, and at the bottom side you can see the options of sales settings, product settings, other default settings. The module needs to be configured from both Odoo and Magento end. Let's look at the Odoo end configuration first. So for that, we'll click on the sales settings. In the sales setting, we'll set the configuration that will be applied to all orders imported from Magento to Odoo. Under the sales setting tab, you can set the payment terms, sales team and the salesperson to be applied to the orders imported from Magento to Odoo. Please note, this configuration is optional. Now set the service product for the discount coupon applied to the order. The selected product will be used in those orders in which a discount or coupon is applied. Next, we have sales order operation menu. Here you can set the default settings to apply on sales order operations. The connector provides the options to sync invoice, shipment and cancel status from Odoo to Magento. Once enable any order, if an invoice or shipment is created in Odoo, the connector syncs the status and the corresponding invoice shipment is created in Magento. Notify customer feature, once enabled, triggers an email to the customer once shipment and invoices are created in Magento. SMS notify customer at Odoo settings enable the features to send an SMS to the customer once delivery is created in Odoo. Avoid customer duplicity, once enabled, prevents the creation of duplicate customers in Odoo based on email ID. The second configuration tab is for default product settings. The set configuration will be applied to all products imported from Magento. Firstly, you can set the route for the imported products in Odoo. Now set the default product category. The selected category will be applied to all products imported from Magento to Odoo. All other categories applied to the products in Magento will be imported as extra categories in the channel tab of the product in Odoo. Similarly, you can set the default policy and tracking for the products. One of the key features that the module provides is the option to avoid duplicity. Avoid product duplicity setting, if enabled, avoid duplicate product creation in Odoo based on SKU. Avoid category duplicity, if enabled, avoid category duplicity based on name and parent during category synchronization. Avoid attribute duplicity, if enabled, avoid attribute and value duplicity based on the name during attribute synchronization from Magento to Odoo. Product main image sync, if enabled, allow the sync of main product image from Odoo to Magento. Lastly, let's set some other default settings that will be applied. Select the default language and company to use in Odoo for imported data. Now set the default stock management settings. The module syncs the stock in real time from Odoo to Magento. Inventory update setting, if enabled, syncs the stock in real time from Odoo to Magento. At the Odoo end, the stock is managed based on hand quantity and forecast quantity. Set the default stock setting, the set quantity will be synced to Magento. Now let's configure the module at the Magento end. Here you can see we are at the Magento backend. So to configure the module at the Magento end, go to Odoo connector and then navigate towards the Odoo configuration. Finally, let's look at the order synchronization settings. You can enable or disable the configuration based on your business requirements. Auto order synchronization, if enabled, sales order will automatically sync to Odoo. Order synchronization draft state, if enabled, draft state order will sync to Odoo. For already synced order in Odoo, if an invoice and shipments are created in Magento and auto order invoice and shipment are enabled, it will create a corresponding invoice and shipment in Odoo. Sync Magento order sequence, if enabled, will allow the creation of orders in Odoo with the same Magento order synchronization. Sync Magento order sequence, if enabled, will allow the creation of orders in Odoo with the same Magento order sequence. Next, we have automated synchronization settings, provides individual toggle buttons to enable or disable real-time sync of products customers, and orders. Similarly, you can enable Stock Sync if you require the product to sync from Magento to Odoo during initial export. Reset mapping settings. Once selected, will reset all Odoo mapping data from Magento. Show real-time sync message. Messages options will show the success message in case of real-time sync. Now the module is configured. You can start synchronizing data between Odoo and Magento.
Like this, you can configure your Magento 2 store and Odoo backend panel. We'll check the catalog sync from Magento to Odoo in our next video. Got a questions for this? Feel free to contact us at support@webpool.com or raise a ticket at webpool.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.